A shell script is a plain text file that contains shell commands. So this is a shell or terminal where you can type your commands in Linux. And a shell script will run those commands automatically from the file. Now, to have any shell script, it must meet certain conditions. So you want it to end your file name in .sh. So that makes it clear that it is a shell script. If you take a look inside the file, you must define the command processor. So in this case, it's bin bash. So add this line to the top of your file. You can also use another command processor if you want. The only thing that's required is that this command processor is installed. So if I type where is bash, you'll see bash is installed and the path is actually the same. Now if you're using something else like Z shell, you can use the path to Z shell. Now in almost all Linux systems you'll have bash installed, so you can set the path to this path. Then you want to have your shell script executable. So if you recall, the script is named myscript.sh, and to make it executable, type chmod +x myscript.sh. So that will make your shell script executable so that you can run the shell script. Now to run the shell script, type the command // and then your script name. So that's myscript.sh. So you'll see now the script has been executed. So if you cannot run the script, be sure to check that your script is executable. So run this command to make it executable.